what's up, Simi here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus and 11T Pro. Those are really long names in there. Anyway, yesterday I've already done a very simple unboxing and a first look. This video is going to be a little bit longer and detailed. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's unboxing the Redmi Note 11T Pro and Pro Plus. The difference between this is quite small. They only have the charge and battery difference. We'll talk about that later. That's the packaging. 67 watts table charge, 120 watts table charge. Packaging here, Pro and Pro Plus. Some more information here, but that's it. Here, the first layer, we have the pane, the phone case, some paperwork. That's the phone. So yeah, that's the difference. 120 watts and 67 watts for the Pro, and this for the Pro Plus. And that's the difference. Okay, that's the design. Here we have nothing on the left side, and then we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, dual speaker, and the infrared blaster. Okay, moving to the right side, power key, volume rocket is basically the same, right? And then the SIM card tray. The dual SIM card, not supporting SD card expansion, right? Same for the Pro. Alright, as for the camera specs, we just list on the screen. Now let's take some photos, shall we? Alright, that's the video. So what do you think of the Pro Plus and Pro? Which one are you gonna buy, or you don't care because you know they're not that surprisingly astonishing good or something? What do you think? Please let me know down in the comment section. And so I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.